to give you guys an apartment tour since I do film a lot at home, or at least I feel like I do, or I will. So I really wanted to give you guys an apartment tour because I didn't get to do that with our previous apartment, and that was just because it was really our first place together and we were kind of like getting the hang of things. And now we've upgraded, I would say, to a little bit of a bigger apartment. It is a 1-bedroom. We really decided on that because it's just the 2 of us and our dogs. Plus, you guys know the market is crazy right now, both with rentals and home purchases. So this place was an awesome deal for us. It's bigger than our last place and I'm just so grateful and blessed. So we both work from home, so we're here basically all of the time. So this is our workplace, this is our lounge place, this is our sacred place, but I am going to be filming here, so that's the purpose of this video, to give you a sneak peek of what the apartment looks like before we move in. So with that being said, let's get right into it. So here we have the kitchen, and this is actually pretty similar to our previous kitchen layout because in our previous apartment, when you walk in, you see the kitchen to your left. Except here we get this sink in a much nicer little location. Here we get it facing faces the dining room, the living room, and also the windows to see outside. And there's really pretty trees out here, so that's a nice view. What stood out to me from this apartment when we walked in was the fact that they're newly renovated. So I really love the renovations that they did. They're actually renovating the whole building as we speak. So I totally love the vibe. Like, this is totally like my aesthetic, I would say, especially the colors that they used. As you can see, the cabinets are all like this really pretty sage green, and everything has these really nice gold detailing on all the handles. Bathrooms, kitchen, everything. A little bit of an upgrade with the refrigerator. We got the 2-door refrigerator. We got some ice water, which we didn't have this with our old place. I love the backsplash of this. It's so pretty. As you can see, it's like these white tiling and then the marble counters. All of the marble counters are brand new, and I love this like texture and like design on it. We just have the dining room section here. We'll probably put our dining table here, and then we have this giant living room, which is like so much space compared to our last apartment. So it's really nice that we have a lot of space. We have a hall, and then here we have a den, which either can be like a studio, an office, you can turn it into a bedroom. This is actually going to be Emmanuel's studio slash office. So he's going to move all his stuff in here. It's going to be like his little man cave, obviously, but I am requiring him to have like a chair or a couch in there so I can just come in here and like chill when I want. Here we just have the laundry room, usual typical apartment, washer and dryer. And then in this room we have the bathroom. I'm so obsessed with everything in this bathroom, the detailing, everything. We have a nice big bathtub, even the railing, everything in here is either gold or black. As you can see, the detailing in like the shower head and all that. Again, it's all newly renovated, so it's just so pretty. I love the extra storage that we get up here. Definitely needed this in our last place. And then the sink as well, everything black, gold, marble counters, the sage green throughout the apartment. Even the light fixture up there is such a pretty gold. All of our things in our last apartment was really these colors and like a combination of these colors, so it just worked out perfectly. And I just realized that even the counter is marble, like it's not wood or anything, like they put marble on even the end of it. Here we just have another closet. This most likely is going to be for storage, like our Christmas stuff, things like that. Here is our bedroom slash my office, since I do work from home. I like that it has this little section here. So I'll probably use this like kind of enclosed section to place my desk, and it kind of is like a little bit separated from the rest of the room. So I really like that. Over here, we just have our walk-in closet. It's gonna fit all of our clothes because currently we share a closet, but this is just gonna be so nice to have, to be able to hang all of our clothes basically. And then out here we have our patio. Just enough space for the puppies to have their fresh patch grass out here and go potty, which is really nice to have right by our bedroom. And that's really it. This man did not come with the apartment.